Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. Yes, the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, still Tuesday, October the 19th, 2021. I have already solved three puzzles. This is number 4, Tectonic with 4 stars. So 2 puzzles left, Tectonic with 4 stars and a.k.a. Sudoku. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3559. 3559. Alright, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Do not know? So let's get started. For 4 stars puzzle, I need, by the way, 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, 30 minutes or more. So the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or single boxes? Only one single box. The single box is always a 1. Alright. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? No, I overlooked this one. This is also a single box. 1. Okay. Dual boxes. Do we have any dual boxes here? Here, dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Dual box. Triple box then. Do we have triple boxes here? Scan. No triple boxes. Only a quarter box. I see here the quarter box. Well, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. So it contains the 1, the 2, and the 4 now. Okay, we have a 3 now. More quarter boxes here? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever, you name it. And the first shape is the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape here. And we have the L shape. And if you see the L shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, we have a 5 here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another 1. Also with a 5. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 again. More L shapes? No L shapes. Then the following shape, how about the T shape or T construction? Let me draw this T shape. Yes. We have here the T shape. Remember that if you see a T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More T shapes? No T shapes anymore. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The shape, let me draw this. Here. Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about? How about this shape? Let me draw this. And we have this kind of shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Let me see if this is the last one. No, we have one more. This one, the final one. This box. Sorry, this shape. Yes, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this is connected with that box is connected with this box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 5 of them. We have more, but not in this puzzle. There are more of shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have only 5. Alright, then it's easy to fill the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 1, double 2 there. So the double 1 and so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this L shape for the number 4. Alright. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 5 here because we already have a 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then how about these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about these 3 boxes surround the 5? Cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area. W area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 1 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Now we have a 1 here. This box, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 there. If I fill a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4, but also that box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 2. Well, the same story for the 1. I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. And the 2 goes here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I fill a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this W area for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So this box can be a 3 anymore. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then. How about, let me think. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be A1, that box cannot be A1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then let me see. Well, this box cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3. So could be 1 or a 2. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2. It should be a 1. And this box is connecting with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And that box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Let me think. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area also for the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, so we have a 3 and a 4. Ah, we have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. So this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area shape for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3. We share 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. Could be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. And could be a 1. 3 and a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 1. Not a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. So 3 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here in this area. So it can be a 1. It should be a 3. This box. Yeah. This box is a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. 3 and a 1. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. Of course, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And the 1 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. But is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. I give this again a 2 stars for this puzzle. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. A killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.